In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color theme in ChatGPT and easily switch between dark and light modes. So let's get started with this simple guide to customizing your ChatGPT experience. First things first, to begin this process, open up your web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, go ahead and type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will help you find the ChatGPT website quickly and easily. Next, look through the search results and click on the link that leads directly to the ChatGPT website. This is where the customization journey begins. Once you've landed on the ChatGPT website, it's essential to expand our toolset. Now, head back to the Google search page once more and type in ChatGPT, custom themes, backgrounds, and tools. This search will bring up options for customizing the appearance of ChatGPT according to your preferences. When you see the option for ChatGPT custom themes, backgrounds, and tools, click on the link provided. This will lead you to a site where you can further explore different ways to modify and enhance the visual look of ChatGPT. On this page, you'll see a button labeled Add to Chrome. When you click on it, a pop-up window may appear asking you to confirm this addition. Simply click on Add Extension to proceed. This extension will allow you to personalize the theme settings of ChatGPT. Once you've added the customization tool, navigate back to the ChatGPT tab. It's now time to make some exciting changes. Now, in the upper right corner of your browser, you should see an icon representing extensions. Click on this icon to view all your installed extensions. From the list of extensions, locate the one named ChatGPT Custom Themes. Clicking on this will activate the options for adjusting the theme and background of ChatGPT to suit your liking. Now, back on the ChatGPT page, you'll notice an option for themes. Click on it to access a selection of theme choices. Finally, you're at the most creative part of our journey, selecting your theme. Browse through the available themes and choose one that matches your style, whether it's a sleek dark mode or a bright light mode. Once you've made your selection, just click to apply it and instantly see the transformation. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're all set to enjoy a personalized and visually appealing ChatGPT experience. Whether it's working late night with a dark theme or using a light theme on a bright day, the choice is all yours. Thanks for watching, and happy theming.